In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify duplicates in Monday.com. If you've ever noticed repeated tasks, leads, or records creeping into your boards, this walkthrough will help you quickly spot and confirm duplicates so you can keep your workspace clean and reliable. First, head to Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if your organization uses more than one, and confirm you have permission to view and edit the board you're checking. Once you're in, give the page a moment to fully load. Larger boards can take a few extra seconds. A quick refresh can help if the interface feels out of sync, especially after recent imports or bulk edits. Next, select the board you want to audit from the left sidebar and click to open it. Choose the board where duplicates are most likely to appear, such as a sales pipeline, tasks board, or any list that accepts form submissions and imports. Ensure you're in the main table or the primary view your team uses so you see all the core columns. If your board has multiple views, switching to the one that shows the identifying column like name, email, or deal title will make comparison much easier. Now, to identify duplicates, focus on the column that should be unique. This might be an item name, an email, or a ticket ID. Sorting that column A to Z will pull identical values together, making duplicates easier to see at a glance. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly test suspected values or apply a filter to narrow down to a specific segment like a certain status or date range. If your team color codes or uses tags, look for repeated tags or identical combinations. They can hint at duplicates too. The key is to scan for rows that match exactly or almost exactly in the fields that matter most to your workflow. When duplicates are detected, you will see the word duplicate appear in the board. Depending on your setup, this label may show next to the item name or within a dedicated column that flags duplicate entries. Take a moment to compare the details before taking action. Check who created each item, review any updates or attachments, and confirm which record is the most complete or most recent. From there, you can keep the correct item and manage the duplicate according to your team's process. That's it. By signing in, opening the right board, focusing your view, and watching for the duplicate label, you'll be able to quickly spot repeated items and keep your data clean and dependable.